Hey sellers, do you want to kick off the 2021 selling season in real estate with a bang? Well, it's time to tech up. In this video, I'll be sharing 3 key steps to putting your home and home search on steroids. Stay tuned, you'll see. I'm Kiwi. Hi, I'm Kiwi the Coast, your luxury real estate specialist, helping you maximize and sell the value of your coastal home. Now, if you're new to the channel, guess what? Subscribe. So let's jump in. 2021, it's going to be a great year for real estate. Time to tech up sellers and you buyers too. And here are 3 key steps. Number 1 is maximize technology. For sellers, hire that tech-savvy agent who can advise you on which upgrades are going to maximize value. Organize your staging tastefully because you want to be able to define every room, and stage virtually if budget is an issue using Box Brownie or several other vendors that we have. Take down Santa, put away the reindeer back in their stable, take all the holiday lights down because it's 2021. Take those high definition multi-stop digital photos. Don't forget the evening and twilight shots, and also make sure the drone flies in. Do a narrated video tour of your home that not only represents the features but also promotes the benefits of living and enjoying your home. Bring in the Matterport 3D for those 3D images so that buyers out there can tour your home remotely without having to come and see it in person. Have your agent launch your video on his YouTube channel, I'm assuming he's got one, and promote your home with video via email using Bonbon. Let the agents out there in the marketplace know that your home is coming soon using Easy Text. Go live on the MLS, promote the home to those 900 websites that are out there, and do the big social media push using stories, posts, shares, and live on Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn as well. Then you'll end up with compelling images of your entire home. Not only the interior, but also the yard and the neighborhood surrounds. All capable of being delivered to your buyer's mobile device in real time. Number 2, what about the extras? Don't forget the extras. Make sure you got the floor plans, list all the upgrades, communicate all of the benefits, and look, you know there's 14 reasons, benefits why anybody buys anything. Email me below and I'll send you the list. Add what's cool about the neighborhood, why did you buy that home? Also, photos and videos of the home in different seasons like summer and spring are going to give added buyer appeal as well. Once on the open house, it's time to activate that virtual open house suite and host that virtual home tour. Stand by because there's going to be multiple offers. Number 3, look through buyers' eyes. Yes, buyers, I'm talking about you. Learn how to navigate all those platforms out there that are delivering the digital information to you, the buyer. Look, there's hundreds. Make sure you look at all the photos, watch the videos, try out the 3D tour, go through all the rooms, and remember, the home you can't eliminate is the one that you should call your agent to go see. Also, you want to check out supplemental documents. Maybe there's additional floor plans, COVID showing information and the like. Get your funds in order, update your proof of funds. If you have a pre-qual, upgrade it to a loan commitment. Hire a great agent who is embedded in the marketplace. Inventory is slim. Be prepared to move fast. It's a jungle out there. You got to move quick to make those offers. Good luck and happy hunting. Hey, I hope you found all that interesting.
Now it's time for the Kiwi Squeeze.
Hey, it's Kiwi Squeeze time, and this is where I ask you for the juice. So, as a seller out there, have you used a video tour? Who did the video production and work? And what was the buyer's reaction? Do share, comment down below, because I can't wait to read your responses. All right, guys, continue your real estate education here. Tap or click on the videos. We got a great series. You're going to sell your home for more in less time. I'm going to help you do it, and we'll see you on the next video. Boom.